VSOL SMB solution. How to install. Main network product. V1600GS single port GPON OLT POF splitter. V2801A X30C-A ceiling mount Wi-Fi 6 AP. Materials required: power cable, optical fiber, POF cable. Step 1. When power cable plugged in, connect the AC to the power splitter via optical fiber. Step 2. Use a POF cable to link the power splitter to the ceiling-mounted AP, combining data transmission and power supply in one cable. For flexibility, we also offer standard DC 12 volts to suit different installation needs. Easily mount your AP on the ceiling. OLT can be mounted in racks. Power splitter can be mounted on walls. They can be seamlessly switched between any network in offices, hotels, classrooms, restaurants, and other scenarios.